except the willow. Try to remember when life was so tender that dreams were kept beside your pillow. Try to remember the night of September when love was